Hi, I'm Michael, and I'm an engineer here at Aurora Storage Products. Today I wanted to walk through the 3 key features and benefits of the Aurora Storage Quik-Bed. The first one is ease of assembly. Each Aurora Storage Quik-Bed can be assembled in under 90 seconds using only a mallet and a team of 2. The second is modularity. All of our components are designed to be retrofittable and modular. For instance, you could buy an Aurora Storage Quik-Bed as a flat model and later decide to buy the incline module and put it into that pre-existing flat model. The third is efficient shipping. All Quik-Beds are shipped flat, and you can fit 270 bed frames into a single 53-foot trailer and 350 mattresses into a single 53-foot trailer. If you have any other questions about the key features and benefits, or would like to purchase your Aurora Storage Quik-Bed, please visit our website.